For this assignment, we want you to incorporate what you learned in the Photoshop tutorials into this final design for week 3. When I went to the Photoshop tutorial page by clicking on the link, I clicked on Combine Images. I scrolled down and I liked the look of this one, double exposure. I also like the look of this one, creating a tattoo. I did both tutorials, but I thought that this one with the double exposure would be really cool for my final design. I used this photo, but only the top half where the face and the shoulders are. I found a skier photo on Pexels.com and I'm going to download it. Remember that trick where you can move Photoshop over and drag and drop an image inside of another image? And there you go. Let's zoom out and transform this by clicking on Command T. And then click the Option button and click and drag until it snaps. Then press Return. Double click on the hand tool and that will fill the image inside of the software. Let's bring the opacity down until we can see the man standing with his goggles, and then get the Move tool and we'll move this down so the guy that's skiing is on the bottom left. Might have made the image a little too small because I want this image to fill up the whole body of this skier standing here. Command T, I'll make it a little bit bigger and then drag it down to that spot again, and that works better. Kind of using the rule of thirds in this design where I have something of interest on the top right and something of interest on the bottom left. That balances a design. And balance is a design principle. Using the rule of thirds helps with balance. So now I want to remove the areas around the guy standing with the goggles from this photo on the top. I'm going to show you a trick. The lesson will continue in the next video.